Hello everyone, this is Vikram from DataEdge Learning, and today I am going to start one new video tutorial series on Go programming language. Go programming language is one of the n- not newest, but it is one of the newly adopted programming language into the market. So in this introduction session of the Go programming language, I am going to talk about the Go, what actually the Go programming language, and what are the different features, what are the different prerequisites to start making use of this Go programming language into our coding world. So hey guys, this is Vikram. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to get more video tutorials on most of the ongoing demanding programming languages into the market. So let's get started about the Go programming language. So if you see my browser, it is go.dev/doc tutorial getting started. This is the official website for Go programming language, which will talk some of the few historical along with the features and theoretical part of the Go programming language. So if you see over here, table of content, it is talking about the prerequisite, installing Go, writing some code, call code to an external package, write more code. So in this video, I'm not going to cover all these points into a single video. For that, I will be creating the further more and more videos. In this first video of the Go programming language, I will be talking why Go. And if you are going to start learning with the Go programming language, what the things you should know before starting the Go programming language. As the name suggests, it is one of the Go means the programming language, but why Go? It's simply because it's the faster. How and why it is faster, that I'll be covering into the forthcoming video. So if you see over here, it is talking in this tutorial, you will get a brief introduction to the Go programming language. Okay, so before we should go with the Go, what are the prerequisites I will be telling you regarding the programming language, that you should be aware of the some of the programming experience. You should not be simply zero. You should be knowing any kind of the programming language, right? You should not be expertise on that programming language, but at least you should have the clear understanding of the programming language. Then some tools to edit your code. For this, again, you can make use of any kind of the text editor. Most common text editor is the VS Code that you can be able to see over here also. Then Goland, it is the paid one, so you forget about this one. Then Vim, it is one of the Notepad kind of the editor. It's also free, even though you can make use of the Node++ also to edit your Go programming language. And then the command terminal. In this case, if you are using the Windows, you can be make use of the command prompt, or you can make use of this PowerShell, which the window is providing to you. If you are working with the Linux or the Mac OS, you will be good to go with the terminals. And see, this is a PowerShell provided by the Windows. How to use this one, I'll be talking you later on. So hope you will be enjoying the session on the Go programming languages, and most of the practical things, which includes the part and the concept of the Go, why we require the Go programming language, even though we have the Java, C, C++, Python, and lot other programming language, why we have this Go programming language. If this programming is going to be exist into market, what are the different features it is having apart from the other programming languages, that I'll be going to cover into the forthcoming videos. Before closing this introduction session of the Go programming language, I will be suggesting you that you can just follow this link, install Go. If you click on this one, just use this download and install the steps. So if you click on this link, you will be able to get one tar file to be downloaded, which will not have nothing but simply the binary versions of these Go programming languages. So in my next video, I will be trying to tell you how to install this programming language. and then I will be writing our very first code on the Go programming language. So hey guys, stay tuned and please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you.